Sit down before you fall down.
Sit down, sit down.
Vicki, do you want to go back home?
This is my house?
This is your house. And this is supposed to be that pretty ribbon that you have.
I'm so proud of you. This is the coolest thing.
I want you to be a part of it. That ribbon, I couldn't find it anywhere in your basement. So,
Did you move the basement too?
thank goodness no. I put down at that. So.
No, I probably would put it here later. This is oh, thank you. Oh, God. Holy goodness. Oh, you're the best daughter in the world. It's all for your mom. Yeah. Did you get my other house sold?
And there's just one more thing underneath here.
Her job. That was a classic.
For your dream home,
Oh, that was so.
I think we have them all covered.
You're kidding. Oh my God.
That was
I
her
think it's
whisper.
pretty well. She had a list of our dream home.
Yeah, she'll have to look.
I didn't know she knew. Lisa.
Do you want to go to your house?
Okay, where's my bedroom?
Well, which one?
Well, you'll have to
Have a choice. Only four.
The rest of you.
some of them, not me.
Got a key? That's key so I can get back in?
Yeah, that's what it's actually yours.
They never want to leave.
Jay, you're with me! You're here! Oh my God.
Shore the inside, and then you have to shore the outside.
Exactly.
So she knows how to get here. Breadcrumbs?
She made so many turns going to my house. Oh my God.